Here we have a Sundance hot tub that's not heating up. It says 87, but it's not from the heater at all. It's from the motor heat. So whenever you see it, usually it's in the 80s. If you see something in the 80s, 85, this 88, it's normally just the heat from the pumps that's still running. It's just not heating up to 104. So it's set 104. It just won't go past. There's no error codes or anything like that on it. So you're going to have to find out where the equipment is. Normally it's underneath where the keypad is. So we're going to take the side panel off right here. So we got the side off. We found the control box right there, the spa pack. And we're going to take this front door off. So we're going to test the volts on the heater. Now to learn how to test the volts on this heater element, I'll link a video right here. So we tested the element. So when you test the element, right now it's on, you can hear it's on low. So when we test it, we were getting 0. But if I turn it on high, that same pump, it kicks in. So I'll turn it on right now. Because it's coming on when it's more flow pushing through, the first thing you want to do is you want to just remove the filters and see if it changes anything, because the filters might be clogged up enough that it's just not pushing enough water through it, so it's not turning on the switch. We'll try that. We'll remove the filters and see if it clicks on by itself. There we go, get the filter out. It's kind of, we got well water here, so it's possible that could be pretty clogged up. So we'll retest everything. We tested it and it's still doing the same thing. But if you tested yours without the filter and all of a sudden you got 240 volts, then change your filter. So for this situation, it's not the filter. So it's probably gonna be a flow switch. Now it depends on what year you have. Sometimes there's pressure switches like this here. There where the heat tube is, normally there's a pressure switch right there. But this one doesn't have a pressure switch. And I can't see if there's a flow switch. So to see if you have a flow switch, and I don't see it anywhere that I can. Oh, I think it might be up right there. But just to confirm it, should look on your schematics. And you look for, there's a sensor. Oh, there's a flow sensor right here. So we're going to look on the board, and then wherever it's plugged in, just follow the wire back. Right there, it says pressure sensor. So it's on right now. You could try to do this while it's on, or turn it off. I would suggest turn it off, and then plug that. Okay, so we got it unplugged. You'll see if there's oh, just clicked on, so it'll be an error code. So there's an error right there. So we changed out the old one to the new. If you want to learn how to replace this, I'll link a video right here.